Hey there, if you liked the video, please click that like button. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so I got my 2007 Dodge Dakota here, and I'm gonna switch out the stock exhaust. I don't know if it actually is a stock exhaust. It looks like it has been changed a little bit. So I have a single exhaust pipe with one muffler, and I'm gonna switch it to a dual exhaust system. So I'll show you underneath what it looks like. So you just have a single pipe here, and that goes to a single exhaust pipe all the way, and it connects up at the front at a single connection up there. I'll switch to a short video here of what it sounds like before. Ooh, shiny, very shiny. So this is an MBRP exhaust kit. Supposedly it comes with everything I need to put it together without welding. So it's all clamped together. So we'll see if that proves true. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old exhaust. It's not gonna be kind of hard to show you that, so I'll probably just pull that out, put the new one in after I get that all cleaned up. Haha, that's better. Had those last two pieces backwards on that right side. All right, so it got kind of dark and late on me last night while I was installing that, so I wasn't able to really show much of that, but I'll try to show you now kind of what I did. So let's go underneath there. This is actually filmed about a month after installing this. So starting at the front here, on the old pipe, take that clamp off up front and you can pull that loose. And then moving back, you get to your first hanger here that you have to take off. So there's the old hanger bracket, and then on the new pipe there, you can just reuse the old rubber isolator and everything. And then here's your second clamp, moving up into the muffler here. Then on the back side of the muffler here, we have two clamps where it splits, and then up top here. Then here, after the split, you come to your second exhaust hanger. And this is one I've had trouble with. I can't get it to seem to want to stay in there. You can see how that hanger there can slide backwards. So I might put like a spacer or something behind it so it keeps it forward, so it can actually hang in that new, hang that new mount there. But it hasn't seemed to really be an issue so far. On the passenger side pipe here, you gotta be careful that you kind of give some clearance here on the shock absorber. So I just rotated that pipe a little bit like that to give it some clearance. And then that's where it goes over the axle. And then the driver's side pipe does the same thing, goes up over the axle there. And then I'll show you on the back what that looks like. So back here on the passenger side, after it comes over the axle there, you have your next clamp, your last clamp on this pipe, and then you get to another existing factory hanger there. You can use the old isolator just like before. And then here's where you put in a new hanger that comes with the kit. So on my truck at least, and I'm not sure if it'll hold true for every model and everything, the hole is already drilled on this side of the frame where you can put the bolt through. But on the back side here, I had to put a drill bit through from this side and drill out this side of the frame, tubing frame here. So you may have to do that on yours as well. Wasn't too bad, not too big of an issue, at least on the passenger side. The driver's side is a little bit more difficult to get the drill up in there, but it's not really all that bad. And then once you come off that last hanger, there you go, you can have your exhaust tip there, nice and shiny. And then here we come to the driver's side, and this side has given me a lot of trouble since the start here, but I think I've got it mostly sorted out now. You have your last clamp there, and it comes down, and I rotated it so as to give clearance on the sway bar there. And then also you see that hydraulic line there. I I zip tied it down with a couple zip ties so that it wouldn't be making contact with the pipe. I don't think it would really be an issue. I think that line's probably able to handle that much heat, but just in case. And then you come back here to this other shock absorber. Every now and then it likes to make contact there. I haven't noticed any noise from it really. It kind of hangs loose there, so I don't think that's too big of an issue. And then again here at the rear you have that hanger you install. I had to drill out the other side just like before up there. And here's something that I would recommend is I ordered on Amazon this rubber isolator that's adjustable, and it has holes at longer distances than the ones that come with this MBRP exhaust kit. So that lets this exhaust tip here hang down a little lower so that you have clearance to your body there. And I was having an issue where it would keep rubbing here, so this gets it hanging down the same distance as the other side, and so it looks good and also prevents any rattling or noise. So I would definitely recommend just getting a set of 2 of these longer adjustable ones. I think this has like a 2-inch hole, a 3-inch hole, and a 4-inch hole kind of thing, and it's like $8 on Amazon. Definitely worth it. If you do have this issue, you can just hang it down a little lower. Gives it a little bit more play, not so tight. Kind of some final thoughts here. I really do like it. I like the way it looks. I think it's pretty cool how they kind of just come out at an angle there behind the tires. Looks pretty sporty. I do like the sound. I definitely wouldn't want it to be much louder than it is. I think it would be pretty annoying on the highway if it was much louder, so I think they did a real good job there with the muffler sound. I would say I have noticed an increase in power. My MPG probably went up maybe half to 1 MPG, so not a huge increase there, but I'll definitely take it. Overall, I would recommend this system. I think it's pretty well laid out. The only issue is the driver's side pipe is kind of a little tough to get in, but you may not have as much issues with that as I did. So just depending on, you know, exact fitment to your truck and everything, it might change a little. So anyway, I think that's about it for this video. I hope this helped somebody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I mean, you get a pretty cool sticker for the back of your truck too, so, you know, you really can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. You can check out some of my other videos right here, and if you want to, you can subscribe by clicking here.